Hello guys, this is Trades once more. So it's the week starting from 23 to 28 February. So basically here is the S&P 500, which I like to call the boss. Listen daily, which I'd like to call the boss, right? The boss. Because as we are taught and as we know, we have more stocks in there, listed in this. So it's the boss, right? So let's go in the weekly. So on the weekly, if I move this and zoom in, you'll see the magic happen. Volume imbalance here between these candlesticks and another volume imbalance here. So this candles here is suspended, as you can see, clearly suspended, like on the air, something like that, right? So that's why they call it the suspension block, because it's suspended. Then now we move that there properly, move that there. So here I'm marking the close, and here also marking the close here of this candlestick here. So does that. So we can see that while we're here, when we came back into this volume imbalance here and outside of it, taking out sell side here, right? And tapping into this fair value gap. That's nice. And we went higher, offering buy side here. These candlesticks were offering sell side, like closing these gaps with sell side with this candlestick. And then above, offering buy side here, because there was no buy side here. It was offered. And then here too, sell side was offered here with this candlestick, and this candlestick for this part here is offering the buy side. So now this tending to a balanced price range of some sorts. Hence, while we're above it, the market comes in with this candlestick here in, but it can't even close below half or below. Yeah. So it can't even close uh, this week here. It went lower. I'm sorry for that. It went lower, but it can't even close below here. So that's telling us it's bullish, right? Even here, if you measure this whole suspension block, you can see that if you take the fib here, mark the top there, and mark the low here. This is 75, 0.75, the upper half of this whole suspension block. It's also marked by this 0.75 of level in orange. It's also marking this week here. So that's telling us it's bullish. Even when it coming back in here, can't even put a candlestick in here, only a wick. And it touches only this upper half of it and goes there. And then comes, touches it, goes there. Touches it once more, goes there. Can't even put any candlestick below this level here. So even last week it went, but can't even close here, close there. What is it telling us? It's bullish. So what will it do? Take the highs here, relative equal highs. On the So we're gonna aim for the relatively equal highs there. So we are bullish on the S&P. We see the S&P going higher. Hence, we're gonna trust that the NAS 100 will too go high, just like that. So we can also put in the USDT in this because they must all go together in tandem. Yes, when they're not going together, we call that decoupled markets. So let's trust that the Nasdaq and the S&P will just go higher this week. Thank you, guys.